Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. In this video I will talk about all the modifications and the prices of all the parts and the accessories that I have installed on my bike. This will be a quick video. I will first start with all the look accessories that I will include that are more of style related. So the first one is the headlight cover. It is of 3000 rupees, around 3000. Then fork mounts, this is around 600. Then we have engine upper pipe around 1500. Then we have the seat 5200. Honda also offers another seat that is around 3000 rupees, but this is of 5200. Single seat cowl around 5900. The prices are reduced now. It would cost around 5000 rupees. Then we also have HJG Y lights around 5500 because these are with Mad Dog clamps. This was all style related. Now talking about performance, there are two things left with style related. We have the custom mudguard, not a custom mudguard actually, this is a universal mudguard. This is of around 600. Then tail tidy around 800. Indicators 400. This LED light around 300 if I'm not wrong. So this is all about the style related performance. Talking about performance, we have RedRooster, which is of 10,000 rupees. We have AirFilter 3750. We have FuelX Pro Plus 11,500. Then we also have Iridium spark plugs. It is of 1000. So these were all the mods that I have done on my bike. Thank you.